I go to the university. I was deeply engaged with the activity of the NSUI and also their activities for the welfare of the student communities. And today, I'm deeply honored and proud and humbled to stand in front of you to accept my appointment as the President of NSUI State Manipur. I would like to thank our AICC leaders, MPCC leaders, and our NSUI leaders who have helped me from the very first day till today to take up this huge responsibility and challenges. The thing that I admire deeply about the Congress Party is the belief in sacrifice, the belief, they promote the inclusivity among the people. And I'm deeply humbled and proud to say that I am the first tribal president of NSUI so far in the history of NSUI. I would like to thank the Congress Party for giving me such a huge platform and responsibility that a boy from the village can hold such a big post in the state capital and also work in the national level. This is one of the beauty of the Congress Party. The Congress ideology is enshrined deeply aligned with the Constitution of India. And our Constitution ensures us the voice, that our voice is heard and that our grievances is addressed and that equality and justice is maintained. But under the current regime, under the present government, our Constitution is under unprecedented threats. Our democracy is under threats. I appeal our youngsters, young students from MU, DMU, and all colleges who come here today. Let us join hands. We cannot just be a student. We have to be a student with a voice. We have to be a student who represents a voice in this present time to shape our future generations. NSUI is one of such organizations that provide platform to raise a voice. Under the current government, students are suffering from corruption, paper leaks, endless paper leaks, SSC, CGL, NTA, NEET scam, GE, all the high-level examination conducting agency are scam and all are corrupted. Where is our educational system heading? Where is the integrity of our education system? Women, daughters and sisters are raped in their schools, in their workplace. Every day when we read the national headlines in the second page, we came across the cases of rapes every day. Where is the safety of our women? Where is the safety of our sisters, of our daughters? Unemployment rate is very high, and it is at its peak. More than 80% of the unemployed people are the youths. 2 crore jobs have been promised, but nothing has been delivered. Let us stand together. Let us come together. Let us try to prove to the government the voice of the student. Farmer suicide rates is increasing. Adani, Modani have become one of the richest men in the world, but India is becoming one of the poorest country. That is the saddest thing of this present government. As the president of NSUI, I will raise my voice. We will collectively raise our voice together. At this juncture, it is important that we join hands together. We shall stand together united, and we shall protect the values of our constitution and strengthen democracy together. As a president, in front of all the leaders, I pledge to unite our diverse voices, promote inclusivity, and promote justice and equality. And I will lead with integrity, accountability, and credibility under the leadership of our Honorable MPCC leaders, and under the values of the Congress Party. Once again, I urge the student fraternity, let us not just be a student, let us represent a voice, let us be NSUI, let us be a leader and change the future generations. I would like to end my speech with a quote from Mahatma Gandhi, be the change you wish to see in the world. Thank you so much. Long live NSUI, long live Congress Party.